Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a peaceful life. So I've come again here in the video to speak and discuss about a cue card which I've spoken in previous video, and just checking out my videos and how good I'm speaking, because sometime we need to embrace ourselves that we have did something, right? So I have forced myself, there is a lot of things which I've made mistakes, but in videos as well, there is effort which is required. I need to appreciate that, because if you've seen my videos last couple of years, I have uploaded every day, and this is not an easy task for a person like who want to who is doing multiple things. But I need to say that I have uploaded multiple videos. So in that I have taken a lot of challenges, such as speaking on the cue cards, and talking about topics, right? So there are multiple topics which I've spoken, and I have uploaded vlogs as well. So you can find out my channel by clicking on search button on YouTube, Rising Bull English. So you will find my videos which is majorly on English language, because I want to express myself in English, because in I am also kind of person who not got environment for speaking English. So yeah, so that's why I've just chosen this way, because there is a easiest way and there is no excuse for me to speak with others. So I'll just show you one video which I uploaded while working in my office, and you will see there is things which is going to make you different, because you have done some sort of thing in a simpler way. So this is a video which I'm going to show you. Just hold a second. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So कैसे हो आप लोग? I hope all everything is fine and having a according to your plans. So I've come again here in the video to speak something which is for only the practice, and there is this place which is very great for uploading the videos, because whenever I have uploaded the video here, there's more views I have got, because this place, there's sun beside from me, and so that's why the quality of this video is going to be great. And comparison to voice, it is also going to be energetically, you can see, because this Sunday there's less interaction with customers comparison to in the working hours, like Monday to Friday. So yeah, in the weekends there is less customer attraction. And so if I talk about my profession, basically I work as a customer executive. So we need to resolve customers queries, and so this is the kind of profession I have. So there is one thing which is common, is customers problem only. So yeah, this is a very great profession, I think, as far as I know, because I have also started from very early age, in my career, basically, to do resolving customers queries. So I'm kind of person who would not get a problem. So yeah. So have you seen my video, this one? So at that time I was working for one of the MNCs, and I was uploading along with that, because I was working for domestic process, in which I want to enhance my communication skills. And for that I just along with speaking with the customers, I do upload video and record myself. So by that I believe that I'm able to communicate myself in a better way, because of doing things multiple times, the same things. So this helps me a lot, right? And so nowadays I am able to speak fluently in YouTube, but there is mistakes which I'm doing while speaking, but just remove need to remove that. It's just some sort of words which is necessary to build a content, that is what required. So nowadays I'm going to listen myself only. That is the practice task for me nowadays, because I've spoken multiple times in his videos. That is very easy for me nowadays. So you need to keep change your task, because this will show you that you are constantly focusing on that. So I hope you found out something in this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye.